Hi, in this video I will show you how to add water to the mopping container on a Samsung POWERbot vacuum cleaner. First thing you need to do is to press this button and pull out the whole mopping add-on. It will look like that, and there you have a hole to add water. You need to carefully pour water down this hole until the whole container is full. Then secure it back to don't leak the water, and pull everything back to the robot vacuum cleaner until you hear the click. And it's all. Now the robot vacuum cleaner is ready to mop your floors. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.